truck, man. I'm telling you. Don't sleep on the Tesla truck.
Don't sleep on it. I'd probably go with the Halo green.
Hey, bro. That's the way to go.
Halo green, rat.
Bro. All right, y'all. So for my GoPro setup, I have 2 for now. I have 3, but this video is only gonna be for 2. Obviously, I have the one on top of the head where you guys are seeing the POV in front of me, and you also guys have one on the windshield. I recommend doing 3. This video, I'm only doing 2. I recommend having 1 for the in cabin, so you guys can talk, you can see kind of reactions, that type of thing. 2, I recommend the POV, obviously, so you can see how it looks when I'm driving, when I shift down, when I do this type of stuff. And then 3, I recommend having a GoPro by the exhaust, so that way in the other videos I'll put like a clip right here. So that way you guys can hear the exhaust much better and get a better idea as to how it really sounds in the real world.
Traffic interview time.
All right.
Right now we're here with the all-time greatest DJ that you need to hire for any
Hey,
weddings.
that's facts.
DJ HUD.
Facts, no cap. Facts, no cap.
And also one of the greatest modified cars and wraps in the Southern California area.
Facts.
If you haven't, subscribe down below.
Subscribe, guys. Just subscribe. Join the team. Join the winning squad.
So what I want to ask you, Christian,
What's up?
is for your Subaru, what is the best modification that you've done?
All right, well, as far as my best modification, y'all can check the previous video I just did. I'm gonna put a link at the top right here. Go ahead and check the video. I talk about a bunch of stuff in the video, so one more time, link up top, bing. Go check it out. Green light, baby. Give me a green light. Give me a green light. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Still traffic, bro. Controlled though, like I'm not like over, I'm like, okay, I know when to accelerate, I know when to not accelerate. It's very controlled accelerate. might get like that that sound over there.